Hey guys, we're here at the Texas Smoke Barbecue. And we're gonna try the big beef bone rib and the sampler, the Texas sampler. Let's give it a try, guys. Here's the truck, guys. Here it is, guys. They didn't have the beef rib bone for 30 bucks. So I just got some pork ribs, a half rack for 15. A little bit small, but... And then the brisket looks a bit small too compared to the ones I saw online. Anyway, let's give it a try. Alright guys, here we are. Let's start off with some of this brisket. Actually, we're starting off with the pork. There's some of the brisket. That's where I'm coming from. Here's some of the sausage. Here's some of that, just pork ribs. I wish it was hotter, but I see them taken out of some heater. Here's the slaw. Well, some more of that rib. Well guys, this is what we got. 46 bucks for the Texas sampler and a half a rack of ribs. Go down there and give it a try. There's 3 locations: Surrey, Langley. See you on the next one. Let's fucking eat, guys.